Good morning, I'm Clint Griffiths. Happening right now, market watchers and producers are awaiting some big reports. Included in the release on Friday is the annual crop production summary. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins me. Michelle, we'll finally get to see if the 2024 corn and soybean crops were really as big as many thought.
Clinton, Friday, USDA will provide the final production numbers and incorporate those into the January WASDE, but it's only one of several reports released, including winter wheat seedings and quarterly stocks. Now, this is the most important report day of the year, and the trade is watching how production and demand will impact the final ending stocks. And remember, quarterly stocks can often provide a surprise as well. Estimates for USDA's big data dump on Friday have the trade expecting a slight cut in yield and production for both corn and soybeans.
For the most part, the trade does look for a small decline in corn numbers, a drop from 183.1 bushels per acre to 182.7. We agree with that. We're at 182.6. So the starting point for corn is a lightly lower production discussion. For soybeans, the trade feels a minimal decline, maybe 8 million bushels lower for production.
Nelson says a change in demand is unlikely for wheat or beans, with wheat carryout projected at 800 million bushels and soybeans at 457 million bushels, down just 13 million. But corn demand could be raised, cutting ending stocks.
I do think that we're going to have increases in demand for corn. We should see ethanol grind go up a little more. We should see exports go up a little bit more.
I think the trade does feel quite confident. We will see these numbers on the corn side drop below 1.7 billion bushels. Keep in mind, we started the year at 2.1. So we certainly have changed the corn narrative quite a bit here on this discussion.
On the South American crop, it may be too early for USDA to make big revisions in corn or bean production.
USDA here in January still takes a fairly conservative view. I think that they will likely leave Argentina alone. And of course, we do have concerns about Argentina as well as the southern Brazilian provinces of Paraná and Rio Grande do Sul.
Winter wheat seedings estimates are close to last year with 33.5 million acres for all winter wheat. The bigger story will be spring seedings.
So as a net, we're looking for nothing more than a minor decline for all winter wheat of just 24,000 acres.
Quarterly stocks will also be released with estimates at 12.15 billion bushels for corn, close to last year, but 3.23 billion for soybeans and 1.57 billion for wheat, which are both up from a year ago. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.